We here at KFI will continue to watch the weather patterns as the heat continues to grow more oppressive. We here at the station are getting an emergency alert. Oh wow. You're kidding. Everyone listening, pay very close attention to this bulletin. This is crucial to your safety.
Civil danger for Los Angeles. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Department of Emergency Management. Radioactive dust has been observed over Los Angeles. All residents of the Los Angeles metro must shelter in place or evacuate immediately. If you must go outside or if you decide to shelter in place, put on a gas mask rated CBRN or higher and turn off all air vents. If you choose to evacuate, do not prepare any supplies. Evacuate immediately. Stay tuned to local media for further updates on this extremely dangerous situation.
National Information Center Statement. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This message applies to all U.S. citizens, including those in Alaska and Hawaii. Over the past 2 days, numerous incidents regarding radioactive fallout suddenly manifesting in cities across the nation has resulted in mass casualties across the following metropolitan areas: Rockford, Illinois; Atlanta, Georgia; Indianapolis, Indiana; Fort Wayne, Indiana; Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas; and Los Angeles, California. At this time, this fallout has been reported to be glowing, extremely hot, and colored red, white, or blue. All residents across the nation must prepare for an emergency bulletin regarding fallout, no matter your location. Prepare food, water, medical supplies, clothing, and other essentials to last up to 2 weeks. Stay tuned to local media for your immediate area for up-to-date information on this ongoing situation. Evacuation zone. Do not delay. Evacuate immediately. The temperature was 96 degrees. The dew point was 67, and the relative humidity was 39%. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Little Rock Emergency Management. All residents of Little Rock and surrounding suburbs must shelter in place immediately. Radioactive fallout is currently spreading across the Little Rock metropolitan area. All residents of the metro must shelter in place. To shelter in place, close and lock all doors and windows. Seal any cracks with tape or damp towels.
Turn off all ventilation systems. If not using the fireplace, close fireplace damper. Tune into local media for further information regarding this extremely dangerous situation.